Hey everyone, I found myself driving Murcielago. Can't talk much, so I have to concentrate driving this car. But if you look in the rearview mirror, there is another one behind us. Right, so I'm actually quite scared to drive because I thought I was going to drive the green one, but apparently the owner asked me to drive this grey one, which I've never driven before, and this car is well taken care of compared to the much more well taken care of compared to the green one, so I'm quite worried. But I hope I'll be able to get done whatever. I'm speechless. Because this is a garage screen and well taken care of and much faster. Somehow this car is much faster. This car feels, I don't know, this speechless. The sound it makes is even better than all the other Murcielagos I've driven. I don't know why. But I feel quite honoured to be able to drive this very Murcielago, because apparently this Murcielago is quite a garage queen for the past few years. Right? I think this guy is tuned. Whew. That hum from the engine behind me. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I obviously have enjoyed so much driving this car. It is by far the best Murcielago I've ever driven. I've driven a few, but this is the best. The best ever. I can't thank the owner enough. And it is a special car to me because it is my dream car. So to be able to drive the best Murcielago ever really means a lot. So if you guys would like more of this kind of content, do subscribe and perhaps leave a like and comment down in the video. Alright, see you guys. Ciao. A little bit about the Murcielago that I drove. I did mention that I've driven a few, but I also mentioned that this Murcielago was the best I've driven. This is because the Murcielago that I drove is a 2009 model, and apparently the engine is actually has been upgraded to the SV, and also the transmission. So that's why this as the Murcielago that I drove, which is the LP640 of course, felt very different than the other Murcielagos that I drove, because the other Murcielagos I drove was a 2005 and a 2007. Two 2007s actually. So upon driving the other Murcielagos, all of them actually felt like how it's supposed to be, how it's supposed to drive. But the one I drove recently, for the video, the torque felt much more instant than the other Murcielagos, and it's probably, and one more thing, I think it's because of the exhaust setup and also the air intake, because the air intake has been upgraded, and also the exhaust setup is customized, so it sounds, to me, it's perfect. To me, it's exactly perfect. And I was quite honoured to be able to drive that very Murcielago, because apparently the owner doesn't drive that car much, and it's not the Murcielago that, you know, every other spotters will spot, because that car is barely driven. It was active for the past few years, but towards this very recent years, the car hasn't been out. Since I've driven the green one before, that's why I expected to be driving the green one, but apparently the owner asked me to drive the grey one instead. I'm like, I'm so shocked. I decided to take the chance, because I've never driven the grey one before, and I know that the owner really treasures the grey one more, because I know that the owner treasures the grey one more somehow, because the car was in pristine condition, excellent condition, drives very smooth, and I was well impressed.